Fractions and BODMAS. The fraction bar is not just a dividing line, it is a hidden bracket. The fraction bar splits the problem into two parts. Everything above the line is one group. Everything below the line is another. You solve each side first, then divide. This is why it behaves like a bracket. 6 plus 2, all divided by 4, equals 2. The fraction bar groups the top, just like brackets do. Let's see it in action. 8 plus 4, all divided by 2. First, the numerator. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Then divide, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now compare this. 8 plus 4 divided by 2, without the bar. BODMAS applies. Divide first. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then add, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Different answer. The bar changed everything. Now both sides need solving. 3 plus 7 over 6 minus 1. Top first, 10. Bottom, 5. Then divide 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So where does this fit in BODMAS? Treat the fraction bar like brackets. Solve the top, solve the bottom, then divide as part of multiplication and division. Now with powers included. 2 squared plus 5, all divided by 3. Power first. 2 squared is 4, then the numerator. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Then divide. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Here is the rule to remember. The fraction bar is a hidden bracket. Solve the top first. Solve the bottom first. Then divide. Now everything together. 3 plus 2 squared, over 10 minus 5. Brackets first. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then the power. 5 squared equals 25. Bottom. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Then divide. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Simply said, the fraction bar groups both sides. Solve each side first, then divide. It works exactly like a bracket. Next step, calculators and BODMAS. Do they always get it right?